Snakes are fascinating creatures known for their ability to adapt to a wide range of environments. But did you know that snakes in the Midwest hibernate longer than their southern counterparts? This difference in behavior is deeply tied to their environment, biology, and survival strategies. What drives this extended hibernation, and how does it help snakes thrive in colder climates? Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind the hibernation habits of snakes in the Midwest and explore the science behind this intriguing phenomenon. Hibernation, also called brumation in reptiles, is a survival strategy used during colder months. When temperatures drop, snakes enter a state of dormancy to conserve energy and avoid freezing. This behavior allows them to survive harsh winters when food is scarce, and their cold-blooded bodies struggle to regulate temperature. In the Midwest, where winters are longer and more severe, this adaptation is essential for survival. The length of brumation varies based on location, climate, and species. In the Midwest, winters often last 5 to 6 months, with temperatures regularly dropping below freezing. For snakes, this means extended periods of inactivity, as the cold renders them unable to hunt or digest food. To cope, they retreat to underground dens called hibernacula, where temperatures remain stable and above freezing. These dens are often shared by multiple snakes and even other reptiles to maximize warmth. The long Midwest winters necessitate brumation periods that can last up to 6 months. By contrast, in the southern US, winters are milder and shorter, with fewer freezing days. Snakes in southern states like Texas or Florida may only brumate for a few weeks or not at all. In these regions, food remains available year-round, and snakes can be active even during cooler months. The warmer climate allows southern snakes to spend more time hunting, mating, and basking. This difference in environmental conditions explains the variation in hibernation length across regions. Temperature plays a critical role in triggering hibernation for snakes. When the weather begins to cool in late autumn, snakes in the Midwest sense the change and prepare for brumation. Their metabolism slows significantly, reducing the need for food and energy. During this time, snakes rely on stored energy reserves to survive the long months of inactivity. In the south, warmer temperatures prevent this dramatic metabolic shift, keeping snakes active for most of the year. The availability of hibernacula is another factor influencing hibernation duration. In the Midwest, snakes often use rock crevices, caves, or burrows to create their winter dens. These locations provide insulation and protection from extreme temperatures. Snakes may travel long distances to find suitable hibernation sites, returning to the same locations year after year. The reliability of these dens ensures their survival through the harsh Midwest winters. For southern snakes, hibernacula are less critical due to the milder climate. Many southern snakes brumate in shallow burrows or even beneath leaf litter, where temperatures rarely drop to dangerous levels. This flexibility allows them to remain closer to their hunting and basking grounds. The reduced need for deep, insulated dens is one of the reasons southern snakes hibernate for shorter periods. Their environment provides the stability they need to remain semi-active even during winter. The species of snake also plays a significant role in hibernation habits. In the Midwest, species like garter snakes, rattlesnakes, and milk snakes are known to hibernate for extended periods. These species have evolved to survive long, cold winters by optimizing their energy use during brumation. Southern snakes, such as cottonmouths or corn snakes, are better adapted to warmer climates and shorter dormant periods. This evolutionary difference highlights the impact of environment on snake behavior. Hibernation is not a continuous state of inactivity. Snakes may occasionally wake up during warmer winter days. In the Midwest, these brief periods of activity are rare and usually involve minor movements within the hibernaculum. By contrast, southern snakes may emerge from brumation entirely during warm spells, resuming hunting and basking temporarily. The ability to adjust activity levels based on temperature reflects the adaptability of snakes across different regions. Why do Midwest snakes need longer hibernation to survive? It comes down to energy conservation. During brumation, snakes drastically reduce their metabolic rate, using stored fat reserves to sustain themselves. The longer winters in the Midwest require more energy conservation, as food is unavailable for extended periods. This prolonged dormancy ensures snakes emerge healthy and ready to resume their activities in spring. In the South, where food remains accessible, snakes can afford shorter periods of dormancy. The hibernation habits of snakes also impact their reproductive cycles. In the Midwest, mating often occurs shortly after snakes emerge from brumation in the spring. The extended period of dormancy ensures that both males and females are ready to reproduce at the same time. This synchronized timing maximizes reproductive success, ensuring the survival of the species. In the South, where activity is year-round, mating can occur multiple times a year, offering more opportunities for reproduction. Midwest snakes also face unique challenges during hibernation. Freezing temperatures can penetrate even well-insulated hibernacula, posing a risk to the snakes inside. Flooding during heavy winter rains can force snakes to abandon their dens, leaving them vulnerable to predators and cold. Despite these risks, snakes have evolved strategies to minimize danger, such as seeking higher ground or deeper dens. These adaptations highlight the resilience of snakes in extreme environments. How does hibernation affect snake populations over time? Longer hibernation periods mean that Midwest snakes have fewer opportunities to hunt and reproduce each year. This slower pace of life results in smaller, more stable populations compared to southern snakes. By contrast, shorter hibernation periods in the South allow for higher activity levels and larger populations. This balance reflects the trade-offs snakes make to survive in their respective environments. What can we learn from the hibernation habits of snakes? They demonstrate the incredible adaptability of animals to diverse climates and ecosystems. Snakes in the Midwest survive harsh winters through extended dormancy, showcasing their resilience and efficiency. Southern snakes thrive in warmer climates by remaining active and flexible year-round. These differences remind us of the intricate connections between wildlife and their habitats. Why do snakes in the Midwest hibernate longer than their southern counterparts? It's a combination of colder climates, longer winters, and the need to conserve energy for survival. This behavior is a testament to the adaptability and resourcefulness of snakes in diverse environments. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of snake hibernation and the fascinating differences across regions. Until next time, marvel at nature's resilience, respect the wild, and celebrate the wonders of the animal kingdom.